One of Discord feature is the screen share function, which enables the users to share their screen with other players. Although this works well, there are instances when certain issues can occur. In this latest installment of our troubleshooting series, we will tackle the Discord screen share audio not working issue. There are several factors that can cause this particular problem, ranging from a corrupt audio driver to an application issue. But before performing any of the recommended troubleshooting steps in this video, it's best to restart your computer first to refresh the operating system and remove any corrupt temporary data that could be causing the problem. First, run Discord as an administrator. This will allow it to use computer resources that it could not access with its current access level. Right-click on the application's executable and select Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Press Apply to save changes and exit. Next step, add your activity. Normally, Discord can automatically detect the activity you are performing. However, there are cases when this does not happen. Launch the Discord application and navigate to its settings. In the settings, click on the entry of games at the left navigation bar. Go to Game Activity and add the application in which the audio is not sharing properly while sharing the screen. Once you add the application, you can easily focus on it using the application. Next step, use Push to Talk. Look for your username in the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon next to it. Scroll down and tap on Voice and Video. Click the box next to Push to Talk to enable this feature. You can further configure this feature by doing the following additional steps. Go to Settings and scroll down to the Keybinds section. Tap on Add a keybind located at top right corner. Choose Push to Talk as the action. Click Record Keybind and press the key that you want to use as a Push to Talk toggle. Then hit Stop Recording to save your preference. Go back to Settings, click Voice and Video. Directly under where you previously enabled Push to Talk, you should notice a little slider called Push to Talk Release Delay. This slider modifies the time taken by Discord to cut your voice signal after you release the Push to Talk keybind. Next step, reinstall the audio drivers. There are cases when a corrupted audio driver can cause this problem. If this is the culprit, you will need to reinstall the audio drivers. Press Windows + R to open Run dialog box. Then type devmgmt.msc in the dialog box and press Enter. Expand the category of audio inputs and outputs. Right-click on the sound hardware and select Uninstall Device. Click Action tab above and select Scan for hardware changes. The computer will now scan for any hardware not installed and will find the sound module. It will automatically install the default drivers. Then restart computer. Next is to update audio drivers. Press Windows + R. Type devmgmt.msc in the dialog box and press Enter. Expand the category of audio inputs and outputs. Right-click on the sound hardware and select Update Driver. Click the option Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now automatically search for the best drivers and install it. Next step is to check audio settings. Type Microphone Privacy Settings in the search box. Make sure that the option for Allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. Make sure that Discord access is turned on. Save changes and exit. Lastly, reinstall Discord. If the mentioned steps fails to fix the problem, then you should reinstall Discord. Press Windows + R to open Run dialog box. Type appwiz.cpl in the dialog box and press Enter. Search for the entry of Discord. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Then, restart your computer. Next, go to Discord download website. Download and install the Discord app. Check if the screen share audio problem still occurs. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.